Hey everyone, this is Mark the Rock back with another video for the coil pack fix on a B6 A4 sedan and the wagon style. This is for the 1.8T. So what you'll need is some 12 gauge wire. So you'll need to replace 3 of them per connector. See, there's 4 of them, so you'll need 12 of them. Then you'll need a 18 gauge wire for this one on each connector. And then what you do from the original wires, which are these colors, not the red and whatever, you just cut the connector about to here, so it gives you an approximate length of how much to add wire. And then the order of the wires are all the same on each connectors. So the ground is on the left side there. I'm pretty sure that's the reference signal, that little 18 gauge right here. And there's another, there's like a brown wire, I don't know, that's probably another ground. And then there's the red/green, that's the power, I'm assuming. So then once you have all that tucked in, I'm gonna loom all this right up to the connector, tape it all up, put the nice ground, and then because honestly this was the issue was on this car as well. I'm doing the injector as well, but like, look at this ugly ground. Like, that's some ugly shit, honestly though. Like look at that. Anyways, so that's garbage. So that's what was causing those misfires, because I made a run with this car yesterday, and it was pulling very strong. I like it. It's holding lots of more boost, and it feels like a stage 1 chip. And then also, what I did notice is that when you do run one of these aftermarket turbo inlet pipes for these models, sometimes you can pinch the wire that goes back here. That's for the mass airflow and the N75 down there. So on mine here, I had to fix it around here about like 10 inches because it was actually pinched. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it for this. So yeah, just what I did for the ground, I think I measured it for like 23 inches, and then I just dropped 3 inches every one of them for the ground, and then that gave me a rough idea for the wires, because I like to have extra length so I can splice it up nicely. And I'm probably going to tuck it as far as against the firewall. I'm gonna have this little shield covered here, sort of deal, so all the heat can just go right out the exhaust way. And then yeah, so please subscribe, and then if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to help you out if I can. And then so that's what it is. So enjoy a misfire free engine. Until next time.